Hi everyone, this is Chef Rishi from Play. Today we are gonna be making asparagus tempura sushi. So let's start the sushi. So we have a tempura batter. Before you putting in oil, so we are gonna start to frying. Tempura asparagus is ready. Look at this golden brown color. This is seaweed. Keeping a seaweed on top. Now we're gonna add this sushi rice, Qutub sushi rice. Golden fried tempura, asparagus tempura. And a little bit of